Hey guys, my name is Mark. I'm from Global-View.Net. This quick video is going to show you how to use your camera, your live streaming dash cam, and a little bit about the app, how to see history and things like that. Okay, so this is going to be your list of devices here. There's two devices on this account. Just go ahead and click on the device. You'll click on this little eye for information window. You're going to have another window pop up that has various different attributes. You have battery level, GSM signal, an approximate address, etc. To get to your live streaming dash cam, you'll need to click on this video here. All right, and we're actually going to see some history. So we're going to click on date. Here is history from today, which is May 23rd. We just go ahead and click OK. And then it takes a little bit of time for the data to load. Once the data loads, you're going to see some of these different minute indicators here. So each one of these, this is preloaded into cloud already. You're going to be able to see each one of these. These are in 1 minute increments. Okay, so we're going to start looking at 12:41 p.m. It's going to take a little bit while to load, and then as soon as it loads up, you'll kind of be able to see what the customer or what your driver was looking at, and you'll be able to see what they were doing at the same time. So we'll just go ahead and click play. You do have a little bit of audio in the background here you'll be able to listen to as well. And we'll just hurry along here. We'll go to the next minute. Play again. As you can see, they're driving. This is their view. And then this is what they're doing while they're inside the vehicle. That's it pretty much in a nutshell. This is how you're going to see the history of your camera. We'll go ahead and click stop here. And then the other kind of interesting thing that you have here is you have these different alerts. Okay, so you have different notifications. This is like harsh driving notification, and you'll see like where on the map this event occurred. So this event occurred over in the Dallas area off of George Bush Turnpike and East Renner. And then you can kind of see what they were doing here by clicking on this play video thing, play video icon. Takes a little bit of time to load as it buffers up. You just click this play button, and you'll see it took a turn here, and it was a little quicker than what was set up on the device. All right, that's pretty much it. There's a lot more to the software, obviously. There's a lot more history, a lot more functionality to the software, but this video specifically focused on just seeing the history of the video or the live stream dash cam, okay? Take care, guys. Have a good one.